Hi, Dr. Jo Messenger here. Thanks for tuning in. Like everyone in the last 3 years, I've had plenty of time to contemplate my priorities. And the result is I've updated my mission. It's now bring personal development skills to everyone. So thanks for all your positive feedback. I really appreciate your input. And requests have mostly been for both personal and professional videos on time, energy and money, and confidence and communication skills. Addictions ranked high, along with health, wealth, money, relationships and spiritual connection. And most people simply want their lives to get better and not worse. We can relate, right? Healing and helping people to live their purpose has been close to my heart since I was born. I was in private practice for 40 years, and the link between emotional struggles, toxic relationships, financial issues, and misunderstandings and physical pain and disease was obvious. Hence, I've committed to making 2 YouTube videos most weeks on these topics. And here's the help I need from you, please. Please click the link below to my YouTube channel, Dr. Jo Messenger, and boot the subscribe button. That's it. It's that simple. I need 1,000 subscribers to get monetized. And in return, you'll get to continue from me the best tried and true personal development tips and free videos on all the previous topics. You can learn how to reach your goals, improve your health, your finances, your relationships, your communication skills, and master your time, energy, money, and motivation so that you can live your best life without paying a cent. So please go to my YouTube channel, Dr. Jo Messenger now, and boot the subscribe button. Thanks a million.